Good morning mga ka-Gigi. Sumahan ulit ako sa isang araw na naman. Time check natin, 6:20. Kaya lang sobrang dilim dito, di nyo makikita mga ka-Gigi. So yan mga ka-Gigi, dito na tayo. Dito maliwanag. 4 minutes nandun na yung natin, train natin. Z-train. Sakay natin. Kasama ko ngayon si Carla. Tapos gagawa ko ngayon ng soup. Chicken soup. Chicken tomato soup. Tapos si Ansi nandun din. Tapos Thursday, may breakfast kami. Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, 150 kailangan namin gumawa na sandwich. So kailangan 4:30 nandun na ako. Natitsura dito mga Gigi, oh. Alam mo na to. So mga Gigi, time check natin 6:39. Maaga pa tayo. Tapos Aisel pala wala siyang pasok ngayon kasi bahay lang siya. Hindi siya maghahatid kay Siki. Tapos ano pa bang ganap ngayon? Tuesday. Ang lunch namin today is ano ba lunch na? Veal. Ano pala mga Gigi? Veal. Vasica sa finish. Veal. Hindi ko alam. Mamaya, kapata ko sa inyo mga Gigi. Ganong itsura ng veal. So mga Gigi, ang difference ng beef tsaka ng veal. Ang beef, from older cattle. Tapos ang veal naman, younger cattle. Mas bata siya mga Gigi. Veal. Kumbaga ang veal young cow, parang ganun, young beef. Mas malambot mga Gigi kasi mas bata. First time ko nakatikim ng veal nung nag-culinary ako mga Gigi. Meron kami dun veal. Tapos ito pala bago mga Gigi, water station. Bagong gawa nila. Tapos dito sa labas, ewan ko makikita nyo, wala na yung mga gamit mga Gigi, maluwag na siya. Wala nang laman yung namin, terrace. Ano pa iba upuan, iakit pa nila. Pakitasan yung mga dito. Wala nang laman. Pero may ilaw pa rin. Tapos pati yung likod, tignan natin yung likod. Wala na rin yung likod mga Gigi, oh. Binakalas na rin nila. Nandun na sa locker namin lahat. Hindi ko na alam kung nakikita nyo, medyo madilim dito Ayun mga Gigi, wala na. Pero yung towel box nandito pa rin. Ito, alisin na rin to. Hindi na ilak ni Ansi itong nakalimutan namin. Nakalimutan namin ilak ng konti.
Where the fuck did they go?
Someone stole it.
All of them?
Yeah.
Do you know why red rooms are connected to murders?
What?
Red rooms?
Yeah, why?
Because murder is backwards. Red room.
Oh,
I have been thinking
Are you-
all morning.
watching now some crime movies or crime series.
No, I'm listening to the murder podcast.
Ah, yeah? Yeah, murder, no? The fuck? Carla. It's too early for murder. It's too early for murder talks.
It's never too early.
Alright, Carla. How's your school?
I hate it.
Why?
It's like so.
You have friends there?
Yeah, but when I wake up, I'm like, okay, this is not so bad. Then I go there,
Yeah.
and I feel like all the life is.
Hey.
Good morning, everybody. I'm so tired. Well, actually, I'm not because I slept well. But still, every morning that I wake up, I'm tired. So nothing changes. Maybe when I get older, I won't be so tired.
Yeah, Carla.
Oh.
You're young and you're dead already.
Yeah. But next week, like, we have like periods. We call them periods in school. We have like 5 periods a year, and then our like I don't know what Oppiainen is called. Do you know what Oppiainen is? The things that you learn about school. Now I have Finnish and Swedish. And next period I have I think I will check.
Philippines, you have like a Mandarin, something. Chinese. I don't know why, when I was in high school, we were studying Mandarin.
Next period I have Finnish, terveystiet, so like health,
Yeah.
and English. I hate math. Oh, thankfully I don't have math. Because when you are in Lukio, you can decide if you want to study math or Swedish. And you decide it in like the first year, and then when the Lukio is like almost over, you have to like we call it like kirjoitus, so like writing. It's like big exam of the thing. So now I have to take big exam of Swedish. I don't think.
You have to review, you have to study.
Yeah, but actually I'm writing the Swedish in like February or March. I will do Finnish, English, and the health.
Same time.
No, yeah, it's like same time, but it's like different days. And then in the
But it's
fall.
normal because in Philippines we study, we have like 10 or 12 subjects like every day. That's pretty deep.
Yeah, but this is like it's like final exam. So if I don't pass that one, I have to take it over because I
1 year again?
No, not like one year.
Or
You
exam
have-
again?
Exam again. You
Yeah.
have like 2 times a year when you can like do the exams. It's like start of the year and then fall. So if I don't make it through the things on
Yeah.
start of the year, then I have to do it again on the fall.
You have to focus, no? Laser focus.
Yes, but it's scary because
Do it.
because then I have to wait like over 6 months to do it again,
Yeah.
and then again if I
have to be confident, you know.
Yeah. In the morning.
Yeah. We're making 150 sandwiches, so tomorrow we have to start cooking and then Anju will fry the eggs. Like Thursday morning.
Okay.
And then we need to change the oil.
Today.
Yeah. We have the bill, we need the oil at the back. We have to use the like 5 something like that. We need to use that.
Okay.
And then today we have bill,
Yeah.
pasta. We have to season it like
Yeah.
flour, egg, bread crumbs. Season flour, egg, bread crumbs.
Okay.
Yeah. So mga Gigi, gagawin muna ako na saan. Ready na to ano natin. Papalambingin ko muna ng konti tapos gagawin ko na yung sandwich. Ang sandwich natin ngayon ay fennel salami or fengkuli salami. So dito mga dito, sarap. Fennel salami. Tapos cheese, Gouda cheese. Natin sa gitna mga Gigi. Tapos gamitin natin ng cream cheese or cream cheese. nilalagay ko. Tapos cheese. Gouda cheese. Tapos binibenta namin ito mga GG, ano, 5 euros. May kasama ng coffee. Baka baliktad pala ilagay natin. Pero okay lang. Comment daw.
I go get the orange juice maker.
Did it help?
No. I need help tomorrow. Do you want to ask Mark or Leo? Can they do my tomorrow shift? Only sick, and my wife has been home 2 days now. I will come tomorrow after 4 o'clock to bake the pretzels, like after lunch.
Okay.
Bake the pretzels and fry the eggs. So they are ready. And then Thursday morning I will be here early to make the pretzels.
Or what are you doing today?
Today I will press like 2 liters of this.
So mga GG, may ano kami. May sakit yung anak ni Asi. Sakit. So gusto ko natin si Kuya Mark or si Leo or si Elisette. Tingnan natin. Sino pwede? So, GG, kain muna ako. Lord. 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 What's this in English?
That one.
Yeah.
Last kid.
Last.
Yeah. Or yeah.
How many liters? 10. So just 3 now. Yeah, basically.
I ordered 30. Like, but that can hold up 25 liters. Like,
So there's extra.
yeah. And when you pour through ship, then it might be some like residue of meat and stuff.
But it's clear, it's pure.
Yeah,
I like this one, no?
yeah, it's but
This one, yeah.
yeah. It's gonna be
Yeah.
a lot of work, but and cheap.
And it's
€0 for
really large. It's large now.
yeah, hello. Big one.
Mikäs näistä on well done? Ah, se on burgeri. Mikä näistä on ne 4 uusinta? Nää on pientoinen. Mihin mä se vien? Siinä on usein vielä samaan aikaan ruokaa. Vähän mainitaan.
Ei, mutta kun tämä niin vie sen siihen pöytään, niin se vielä menee, koska se ei enää mene.
Saanko me mennä holkille?
Sa summer eh, wala na. Dito Friday lang ako, bakit?
Mä annan sulle ton tosta mukaan, niin sä näin lähdet ottaa.
Täydellistä.
Mahtavaa, kiitos.
Kiitos.
Hyvää ruokakamaa.
Kiitos.
Kiitos kokille taas.
Kiitos.
Yung mga ka-GG, so ngayon pala, nag-walk na kami ng Shades. Uy, teacher yan. Tatako rin, may shades. Ay. Pinag-story ang Rose dun.
Oo, nakita ko na.
Malapit ko lang na isa. Wala, teacher ni Sige. Pwede ba yan?
Panochi. Mikael Casimir. Tapos, yung huli, Mr.
Oh, Panochi Fox.
Pasco.
Panochi Fox.
Purpose of your travel, sightseeing, business study.
Sightseeing again.
Additional information, phone, select, hotel name. Paano kaya yun? Hindi na siguro yun.
Ano yan?
Kung saan tayo pupunta? Contact number.
Ano? Tapos ko na ba? Sabi pa may discount tayo. Ito ko yung ipasok sa Apple ID dito. Baka pwede, no? Up na ano, value. Papakita ko na lang na gano'n. Eh no, select seat na, babe.
Wala na. Wala sa unahan. Dito na lang sa gitna.
Ito malapit sa banyo.
Naku, patay. Apatan. Sa gitna lang.
Okay lang, babe. Ang pagdadasal lang natin, wala po doon sa isa. Sige, talaga tayo, babe. Tatlo tayo, eh.
Saan tayo dyan?
Ito tayo.
O gusto
Parang
mo
malapit
dito
sa banyo.
tayo? Dito kami ni Siki. Ikaw dito.
Gusto mo magbintana?
Hindi, si Siki sa bintana. Tingin mo. Or dito,
Gusto mo?
dito ka, ikaw, si Siki ako. Tapos yung isa.
Kaya lang maghihilig ako dyan, eh. Wala. Huli na pala, no? Sa likod na naman tayo. Pangit sa likod, eh, no? Tingin mo.
Dito. Wala nang choice, yun lang eh. Ba't parang liit lang? Babe.
Malaki yan, babe. Ayan yun, no? First business class. Ito yung ano.
Saan na tayo, babe? Ayan o, exit to eh. So, dalawang exit. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Exit. Exit. Tatlo bubuksan nila niyan.
Sigurado ka? Malaki? Ano pala?
Putik. Ano?
973 032.
Parang ayaw mo mag-comment.
Wala.
Mali ah. Ano to?
Wala.
Ano to, babe?
Ano ko ulit yun? Hindi. Saan din, no?
Tikit.
54.